Hey, so we had a customer come in today with some vibration. Well, when we were checking out the vibration, we ended up noticing he had an exhaust leak. You can see the black here between these cylinders. It was blowed out between there. He also has got a broken stud here. We have this jig, and it's actually a Caterpillar part number. You see here a 6 Victor 9050 that sets it up to where once you put this on here and you punch that hole, it's going to center it perfectly. It has another bit in it where you run it down the hole, and the only thing you got left in there is threads, and you just kind of seal pick those out. Other mechanics I know follow me and whatnot. If you don't have that kit, it's a lifesaver, guys. We have another universal jig that we use for like Cummins and whatnot. Most of the time Cummins comes out, Caterpillar's always been a pain in the butt to get the studs out of it. This tool here is a lifesaver because you don't have to worry about punching through the head or getting the hole offset or anything like that. But truck drivers, if you're noticing these black soot on the side of your engine, it's real easy to see if you got a Caterpillar. PACCAR probably be a little bit harder because it's black. Give us a call, 972-921-4316. We'll get it in here and get it pulled off, get it resealed for you so you're not smelling that exhaust up in the cab.